Windows 11 came with a lot of annoying things that most of the people don't want to have them in their PC, and I don't really understand why Microsoft is pushing this to us. So I'm going to show you in this video how to get rid of some of them, at least. For the first one, have you noticed the suggestions or ads that you got in your lock screen? Well, there is one way to disable that. Go into the settings menu by right-clicking into the start button and clicking into settings. From here on the left side, you want to click where you see personalization, and on the right side where you see lock screen. Now, the first thing that you want to change right here is into Windows Spotlight. With Windows Spotlight, you are always going to get the ads, so you want to select between picture or slideshow. If you choose slideshow, get rid of the check mark where you see get fun fact, tips, tricks, and more on your lock screen. Those are the ads. And that is how to get rid of the first one. Now let's jump into the second option. Now another one, if you are not using it, because it's really full with ads, is the widgets of the taskbar. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. You want to right click anywhere empty in your taskbar and open the taskbar settings. Right here you're going to see the option of the widgets. You want to turn this off. And now you don't have it anymore in your PC. Have you noticed that sometimes you get a pop-up that say, let's finish setting up your PC, when you are already using it for a long time and you click into remind me later, and this come back and come back and come back. Well, if you don't want that this remind you later anymore and this doesn't come back, let's do this. Right click into the start button to go once more into the settings menu. On the left side you want to click where you see system, and right here into notifications. On this new window, all the way down, you're going to see the additional settings. Click on it. And here you have these three options. The one that we are talking right now is the middle one, that is suggests ways to get that most out of Windows and finish setting up this device. Turn that off. But if you really don't need them, I would recommend you that you turn both of them and all of them off, so this doesn't annoy you anymore. Now, you know these suggestions that you see where you click the search bar, right here on the right, where it shows you games that you can download and install, news, and a lot of different things. Well, there used to be a way to get rid of that by clicking into the options and going into the search settings. Normally, you should have an option right here to disable the search suggestions. But if you don't have it, like I don't have it right here, I show you a different way how to remove it, and that is using PowerShell. So close the window and open PowerShell by going to the search bar and typing PowerShell. You're going to find it right here, and I recommend you guys that you right click into it and you set run as administrator. Once you have PowerShell open, go into the description down below and copy and paste the script that I'm going to let you guys down there. And this right here, this is going to change something in your PC to don't show that anymore. And when you have pasted, press enter. This is going to change something small in your registry. And once you have done that, when you go into the search bar, you are not going to see these annoying things anymore into the right side. And those are 5 things that I recommend you guys to disable. At least for me, they are really annoying. I don't know for you guys. So if you want that I show you more tips and tricks in Windows, subscribe to the channel and leave me any suggestions that you have in the comments. Thanks for watching, my friends. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like and to subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.